All right, what's up, YouTube? This your boy Tyrone Huffman coming at you, stream printer and heat presser, designer. Okay, now this is a DIY do-it-yourself heat press that I purchased from eBay. Okay, the problem I had was with the switch. Okay, you see that little switch right there? It got a switch right here. It's a red switch right there, and that's a heat switch. Like when it get hot, this switch, this button will pop out when it gets so hot. You know what I'm saying? It was giving me problems with doing my big transfers that need 385. It was always cutting out at like 150, 180. I'm talking about I almost tore it up one day. I started hitting it so hard. So right now, it's been going non-stop. It's at 282 non-stop. So, and this is a clamshell heat press. But for some reason, DIY, they put this button here on it, right there. You ought to be able to see it. You see that button right there by the switch? That button was giving me problems. Man, I mean, the heat just was cutting off. It was killing me, messing me up on my hustle, okay? So what I did was I went back here, off in here, and I took both of those plugs loose right here. You see where it's at, where I'm pointing at? This box right here. I took both of the plugs loose right there. And I took the little clamps off of each one. It had these types of clamps right here. See those clamps? It had these types of clamps on each one, that black box right here. This black box right here. Okay? And then I took both of the wires and I taped them together. And I put black tape around them, black electric tape around them. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit more too. I'm going to put a little bit more when I get done. I mean, look. This mug is running away. It's running away, man. It's running away. It's doing something that it never did. So I got it going at 350. It's been going non-stop right now. So if you want to try to, when you purchase one of these DIYs and you've been having a problem with that button, that heat button, when the temperature gets so high, the button turns off, or if you try to do some maintenance, try to get past that, then all of a sudden it was cutting off, cutting on, and making you late on doing your job. That's what you do. That's what you do. All right. It's a clamshell heat press. How to get past that heat button on a DIY heat press. 15 by 15. All right. Like and subscribe.